Good morning, students. Today we'll do programming on stack. Here I am using the online compiler for C. You can use Turbo C++. So in the theory class already we have discussed stack is a linear data structure. It deals with two operation mainly, push operation and pop operation. Push operation insert the data into the stack, whereas pop operation deal with extracting the data or deleting the data from the stack. While we are dealing with the push operation or while we are inserting the data into the stack, first we will check whether the stack has sufficient space to hold the value or not. That means we will check whether the stack is in overflow condition or not. If overflow, that means there is no space. Similarly, for pop operation, we'll check whether any data are to be extracted or deleted from the stack or not. That means we'll check whether the stack is empty or not. If stack is empty, then pop operation cannot be possible. So, in this program, we have taken three global variable. First one is the max size. Second one is the max size is the maximum size of the stack. That means how many element the stack can hold. So here it is 8, and we have implement the stack using array. So here we have taken the stack variable stack array of 8 number of element. Maximum it can take 8 number of element. We can implement the stack using linked list also. Here we have used array. Here is the top variable. It is initialized to -1. That means now the stack is empty. Stack is in empty condition. We have in this program to implement the operations of the stack, we have taken several functions. So underflow condition already we have discussed. Underflow condition, underflow function, overflow function. Underflow function will check whether the stack is empty or not. Overflow condition will check whether the stack is full or not. Peak function will return the top of the stack value. Then pop function which will deal with the deleting the data, and push operation deal with the inserting the data. And main function, here the actual operation, actual execution of the program will be started from the main function. So we'll discuss one by one function. So first is the underflow condition. So already we have discussed the stack underflow condition is when we say the stack is underflow, that means stack is empty when the value of top equal to -1. So if top equal to -1, then it will return one value. That means the stack is empty, else return 0. Okay, so this is what the underflow condition. Similarly, what is the condition for overflow? Overflow condition is if the top value is equal to max size. Max size is what already we have declared, that is 8. So if the top value is equal to max size value, then it will return 1. That means the stack is overflow condition. Stack is in overflow status. Else it will return value 0. Okay, now suppose we want to know what is the top value. Already we know that stack is a data structure which basic principle is last in first out. That means always the data is to be inserted and deleted at the top of the stack. At the top of the stack, that means at the last end only. Okay, so here suppose we want to know what is the top value of the stack, then we will invoke the pick function. Okay, so next is the push function. Now the stack is empty, our stack is empty, and we will invoke which function? Push function. Okay, so here it will take one argument. That means the data which is to be inserted or which is to be pushed to the stack. So already we have discussed, if here in the push operation, first we will check whether the stack is overflow status or not. If it is overflow, then push operation is not possible. If it is not in overflow, then the stack push operation is possible. Okay, so in the here the in the push function we'll check, will here in the if condition, we will invoke the overflow condition. So here the overflow condition will be invoke. So here top equal to max size, so top value is what, minus 1 is equal to max size. My max size value is 8, so my minus 1 is not equal to max size. So here the else part will be executed. If return, it return 0. Okay, so 0 अंडरफ्लो कंडीशन, सॉरी ओवरफ्लो कंडीशन क्या रिटर्न किया, 0 रिटर्न किया. सो 0 नॉट मीन्स 1. So if 1 means true, so if part will be executed here. So here top equal to top plus 1 means now the value will be top equal to 1, and stack top equal to, that means at the top of the stack the data will be inserted. Okay, and if this condition is false, ये condition suppose false हो जाता, then it will display message could not insert data and stack is full. Okay, so in this way we can insert the data into the stack. Similarly for the pop function, here is the we have declared one local variable, that is data, and in the if condition it will on invoke the, or it will call the underflow condition. Underflow condition is what, here is the underflow condition. It will check whether the stack is empty or not. If at that time the top value is equal to minus 1, then it will return 1. And if not 1 means 0. If 0 means, if not 1 means 0. If 0 means it will take data equal to stack top. And if 0 means the condition is false, so यहाँ पे क्या दिखाएगा, else could not retrieve data, stack is empty. And if underflow condition return 0, then not 0 means it is 1, and it will take the stack top value as data, and top value will be decremented. So that means logically we delete the data from the top of the stack, and it will return the data. It will return the data. Okay, so this is how the push and pop operation works. So let's see to the main function. In the main function we insert 3 into the stack. So how we insert 3, so we'll call the push function, push 3. We'll pass the argument. You can take any scanf function and take the value as argument to the push function. Here I have taken the default value. So push 3 means it will call the push function. Push 3 means now the data value is 3. If not overflow means here overflow नहीं होगा, then overflow नहीं होगा means top का value max size नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे condition satisfy हुआ, then data equal to stack top. stack top means stack top में वो data entry हो गया. If not overflow means top equal to top plus 1, and top equal to top plus 1 means minus 1 plus 1 कितना हो गया, 0. So now top का value हो गया 0. Stack of 0 means at the initial position the data will be inserted. That means data value is how much, 3. So 3 will be inserted. Similarly 3, 5, 9, 1, 12, 15 will be inserted by invoking the push function. Okay, so when it will say could not insert data, when the overflow condition will be satisfied. Overflow condition will, when it will be satisfied, when the top value equal to max size. Okay, at that time it will say could not insert data, stack is full. Okay, now element at top of the stack, suppose we want to check whether which value is at the top of the stack, then we will use the pick function. So it will return the top value of the stack. Now we will delete all the value. That means we will invoke the pop function. So कब तक ये पॉप फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा, जब तक ये अंडरफ्लो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो जाता. इसीलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे इसको लूप के अंदर रखे हैं. While underflow condition is become true, then डेटा इक्वल टू पॉप फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होके वो जो डेटा रिटर्न होगा, पॉप फंक्शन में क्या रिटर्न होगा, इट विल रिटर्न द टॉप वैल्यू। पॉप फंक्शन में जो डेटा टॉप वैल्यू में होगा, दैट डेटा विल बी that top value will be hold by the that data, and the top value will be decremented. So in this way the pop function will be called, and the data will hold the popped data and it will display the data. So this loop will be continued till the underflow condition will be false. Okay, now finally it will display stack full under overflow condition. If it is true, then it will display true, and stack empty, if it is underflow condition, it is satisfied, then it will be true or it will be false. Okay, so let's run the program. So element at the top of the stack is 15, and elements are 15, 12, 1, 9, 5, 3. Okay, stack full is false, stack empty is true. That means in the main function, push 3, push 5, push 9, push 1, 12, 15. So in this way, the data are inserted. Okay. Now, print message is element at the top of the stack. Element at the top of the stack is what? Stack top में कौन सा value है? Last value हम लोग कौन सा insert किए हैं? 15. So this is what the 15. ओके, नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आर व्हाट, जो हम लोग पॉप करके उसको ही एलिमेंट लेंगे, डेटा को लेंगे वैल्यू। ओके, सो while invoking the pop function while invoking the pop function that pop function will invoke the, or it will return the data which is at the top of the stack. So top of the stack में पहले क्या था? 15, 15 के नीचे 12, फिर 1, 9, 5, 3. Okay, so now stack is full, it is false, and stack is empty. Is stack empty? Yes, it's true. So in this way we can do the programming on stack. You can use your own logic to implement the stack. So thank you so much for this.